I hate the mornings, 'cause I know what they bring. You get up and take a shower and in no time you're leaving, and it sounds so selfish, but I can't help but think that if you knew how much I needed you, you'd stay. 'Cause I hate goodbyes, I hate these tears in my eyes, I hate myself for the way I feel about you every time. I've had enough, I'm sick of wishing he was around me every day, every night. It's way too much. I hate love, yeah, yeah, yeah. I hate love, yeah. Oh, I hate your phone calls in the middle of the day, 'cause all they do is just remind me that my baby is so far away. It drives me crazy, 'cause I need you with me. Yeah, I know it's hard for you to understand when I say